If you can't be somebody, be your neighbor next door.
I see trees of green and red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed days and dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, pretty in the sky, they're also on the faces of the people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, and I watch them grow. There ain't much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Sure, how wonderful it is. Shine like Julie. The colors of the rainbow is so pretty in the sky. They're also on the faces of the people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, and I watch them grow. There ain't much more than we'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yeah, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh, yeah.
All right, the Blitzer back there tonight. Louis Armstrong, yeah.